Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I am going to share the ultimate code editor battle of 2025 between VS Code and Cursor. So let's start the editor battle of 2025. So why these battle matters? Because developers rely heavily on their code editors, right? So VS Code has dominated for years, but Cursor is making waves. So which one is the best fit for 2025? Is it VS Code or it's Cursor? So let's know some key difference between VS Code and Cursor. So the first one is user interface and experience. So in VS Code, you got the minimal, highly customizable interface, but on Cursor, it's AI enhanced UI with real-time code suggestions, which is really amazing. And the second thing is like the performance battle. So BS Code is lightweight but can slow down with many extensions. But on Cursor, it's AI powered optimization but needs a strong internet connection. But when you have a strong internet connection, it just works like a bomb. Now the next thing is like the smart coding assistance. You know that now it's a AI, like it's the AI world. Like if you got some AI smart coding assistance, if you would like to get some smart AI coding assistance, then Cursor is the best fit, or Cursor can beat any code editor. So in VS Code, basically, IntelliSense for auto completions and debugging might help you, but on Cursor, GPT powered AI for writing, refactoring, and explaining code is really amazing. And the second next thing is like the ecosystem and flexibility. Like in VS Code, like there is a largest marketplace of extensions for themes, debugging, and integrations. But in Cursor, like there is a limited extensions, but offers an all-in-on AI ecosystems. So which one fits your budget? Definitely VS Code because it's free and open source, right? But in Cursor, don't be disappointed. In Cursor, there is a free tier available. But if you would like to get the amazing feature from Cursor, you need to get a premium subscriptions for Cursor. But it can come at a cost, but it will be greatly benefited. So who wins the fight? In VS Code, like is best for familiarity, community, and budget-friendly options. But in Cursor is ideal for AI enthusiasts and those seeking cutting-edge coding tools. So if I would like to say the like the user interface, like if you are used to on VS Code, and if you just suddenly move to Cursor, there might be some UI interface difference. So Cursor provide you the facility, like you can inject like the VS Code theme in Cursor so that you don't feel alone. So it's a great feature of Cursor. So what do you think? Like which code editor do you prefer? And share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more tech battles. So yeah. So today that's it for today, and see you on next video.